everybody. This is Sharon from All About Birds in Pinehurst, Texas, and this is my sister Candace.
Welcome to our brand new store called All About Birds. We are excited to have opened the store finally today. This store is going to be supporting Magnolia Exotic Bird Sanctuary, our nonprofit in Magnolia, Texas. 100% of the net proceeds from our sales here will support our sanctuary, where we have over 150 parrots we care for. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. We hope you stop by, and it would be a pleasure to meet you. We are carrying everything for parrots, which is toys and cages and food and all the parrot stuff. But we also are carrying a very large selection of fantastic gifts. Feather earrings, purses, wallets, t-shirts. So we hope you stop by. Great place to Christmas shop. I'm just saying, it's coming up. Thank you again.